Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of herb garden pot design. At its core, herb garden pot design is the intentional arrangement and selection of containers used to grow aromatic and culinary plants. It isn't just about sticking a plant in a bucket. It's a creative process that considers the aesthetic harmony between the plant, the vessel, and the surrounding environment. Whether you are working with a tiny windowsill or a sprawling patio, this design practice focuses on maximizing utility while enhancing the visual appeal of your home through textures, colors, and clever spatial arrangements. Integrating a thoughtful herb garden pot design into your home offers a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond simple decoration. First and foremost, it provides unparalleled convenience for any home cook, placing fresh, organic flavors like basil, rosemary, and thyme right at your fingertips. Beyond the culinary perks, these designs act as natural aromatherapy, releasing soothing scents that can reduce stress and improve your mood. Strategically designed pots also solve the problem of limited space, allowing urban dwellers to enjoy the rewards of gardening without needing a backyard. Furthermore, tending to a curated herb garden provides a therapeutic hobby that connects you with nature daily, while the greenery itself helps to purify the air and soften the hard lines of modern architecture. To make your herb garden pots look truly beautiful, you should focus on the concept of thrillers, fillers, and spillers. Choose a central, upright herb like rosemary to act as a focal point, surround it with bushy fillers like parsley, and let trailing plants like mint or creeping thyme spill over the edges. You can also play with color theory by choosing pots that contrast with the vibrant green of the leaves. Think deep blues, terracotta oranges, or sleek blacks. Grouping your pots in odd numbers, such as clusters of 3 or 5, creates a more natural and eye-catching composition than a straight line. Don't be afraid to add personal touches like decorative plant labels, fairy lights for evening ambience, or mixing different heights using plant stands to create a layered look that feels like a professional landscape in miniature. Choosing the right material is a critical step in a successful herb garden pot design, as it affects both the health of your plants and the overall style. Terracotta remains a classic choice because its porous nature allows the soil to breathe, making it ideal for Mediterranean herbs like oregano and sage that prefer drier conditions. For a more modern and sleek aesthetic, metal containers, such as galvanized steel or copper, offer an industrial chic look and are incredibly durable. If you are concerned about weight or want a variety of vibrant colors, high-quality glazed ceramic or lightweight composites are excellent options that retain moisture well. For those leaning toward a sustainable or rustic vibe, treated wood or repurposed crates provide a warm, organic feel that blends seamlessly into outdoor environments. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 herb garden pot design ideas to spark your creativity. One, the modern grid vertical herb wall. This design features a light-colored wooden slat wall that serves as a functional backdrop for a series of hanging pots. The alternating lime green and white containers create a playful, rhythmic pattern that makes the garden feel organized yet vibrant. It is a perfect solution for narrow balconies or fences, turning a flat surface into a living tapestry of fresh chives, sage, and mint. 2. Elegant copper sconce planters. For a touch of luxury, these semi-spherical copper planters are mounted directly onto a textured, dark-toned wall. The warm glow of the copper provides a stunning contrast to the lush green foliage of the herbs. This design is ideal for high-end patio spaces or contemporary kitchens, where the gardening elements double as sophisticated wall art. 3. Rustic galvanized tray collection. This design utilizes a long, weathered galvanized metal tray to hold individual small pots. It creates a cohesive farmhouse-style look that is perfect for a kitchen island or a dining table centerpiece. The uniform material of the pots keeps the focus on the varied textures of the dill, basil, and parsley, offering a tidy and transportable herb station. 4. The sun-drenched windowsill trio. Simplicity is key in this design, which features classic black nursery-style pots with handwritten labels placed along a bright window ledge. This is the ultimate beginner-friendly design that maximizes natural light. The contrast between the dark pots and the bright checked curtains adds a cozy, cottagecore aesthetic to the kitchen. 5. Vibrant multicolored porch accents. Bring a pop of color to a rainy day with these high-gloss pots in shades of purple, lime, and yellow. Placed along a windowsill, these pots brighten up the interior while housing dense, bushy herbs. The clean lines of the pots offer a modern feel, while the varying colors allow for a personalized and energetic garden display. 6. Mediterranean terracotta courtyard. This design embraces the timeless beauty of terracotta in various sizes and shapes. By grouping different heights of clay pots on a sunlit patio, you create a rustic Mediterranean atmosphere. The earthy tones of the fired clay perfectly complement the purple blooms of lavender and the deep greens of rosemary, making the garden feel like a sun-soaked escape. 7. Mixed leafy greens in earthy bowls. Focusing on texture and edible variety, this idea uses wide-mouthed terracotta bowls to plant different varieties of lettuce and peppers together. The low, wide profile of the bowls allows for companion planting, where different species thrive side by side. This design is as practical as it is beautiful, looking like a fresh salad bowl ready for harvest. 8. Zen Bamboo Minimalist Lineup. For a calm and contemporary look, these cylindrical bamboo planters offer a warm, natural texture with clean, straight edges. Lining them up on a wooden surface creates a sense of order and tranquility. This minimalist approach works exceptionally well in modern apartments or professional office spaces where greenery is needed without the clutter. 9. The Darkwood Vertical Pallet Planter. This design uses a dark-stained wooden pallet as a vertical base for rustic herb boxes. Each box is fitted with a stylish black chalkboard label, allowing you to easily identify your mint, oregano, and thyme. It's a brilliant way to recycle materials while creating a bold architectural statement on a back deck or porch. 10. Hand-carved timber window trough. A heavy hand-carved wooden trough acts as a beautiful nest for a series of small terracotta pots. This design combines the ruggedness of natural timber with the classic look of clay. Placed against a window, it provides a sturdy and grounding element to the room, perfectly housing upright herbs and even an aloe vera plant for added variety. Designing an herb garden in pots is one of the most rewarding ways to bring life, scent, and flavor into your home. As we've seen today, whether you prefer the sleek look of copper or the rustic charm of weathered wood, there is a design style to fit every personality and every space. Don't be afraid to experiment with different heights, colors, and plant combinations to find what works best for you. If you enjoyed these herb garden pot ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more gardening inspiration. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new project. Happy gardening!